Hi, this is our A2 milk powder. It is skimmed. I wanted to show you how to use it. So to make it into a liquid, take around 200 ml of water and 2 teaspoons of the powder. Mix it. You can use it in tea, you can make sweets with it. And it's important to know that it is not dairy whitener. It is actual milk powder, so the milk is dehydrated and then powdered, versus dairy whitener that has very little to do with milk actually. It's mostly vegetable fat. So this takes longer to dissolve. If you want to be faster, you can also do it in the mixer. That will homogenize it very well. So yeah, it's pretty much ready. You can now make tea with it or sweets. Happy cooking!